Hello Council, welcome back. In our previous episode, we discussed the fundamentals of international construction arbitration. Today, we're going to focus on two critical elements that can make or break your case: cost management and arbitrator selection. Let's start with cost management. Construction arbitration can be expensive, very expensive. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be if you plan properly. First and foremost, cost management begins with your contract administration. I cannot stress this enough. Make sure everything is documented. Every change order, every delay, every communication. The more thorough you are in your documentation, the easier it will be to resolve disputes quickly and efficiently. Why? Because clear documentation minimizes ambiguity. When the arbitrators receive well-organized evidence that tells the story of the project from start to finish, it simplifies their job. They don't have to guess what happened or interpret vague records. They can see the facts in black and white. This can speed up the arbitration process and ultimately save both time and money. Also, don't overlook the importance of early case assessment. When a dispute arises, conduct a thorough review of your case's strengths and weaknesses before deciding to proceed with arbitration. Sometimes early settlement is a better option than spending millions of dollars on a full-scale arbitration. Now, on to arbitrator selection. In construction arbitration, this is one of the most critical decisions you will make. Why? Because arbitrators are not one-size-fits-all. You need to pick the right person or panel for the specific issues in your case. For example, in construction disputes, technical expertise is a must. You want arbitrators who understand delay analysis, construction schedules, and technical engineering issues. These aren't topics that a general commercial arbitrator will necessarily be familiar with. You need someone with the industry knowledge to cut through the technical details and make an informed, efficient decision. But it's not just about expertise. Availability is also a key. If your arbitrator is juggling multiple cases, they may not be able to dedicate the necessary time to yours. This can cause delays, which in turn can drive up cost. A good arbitrator is not only knowledgeable, but also available and committed to resolving your case in a timely manner. Here's another point to consider: a sole arbitrator versus a panel of three. For smaller, less complex disputes, a sole arbitrator may be more cost-effective, but for larger, more complex construction disputes, a three-member panel offers a broader range of expertise and perspectives. However, remember that more arbitrators mean more cost, so you will need to weigh the complexity of your case against the additional expense. Lastly, don't forget about the role of presiding arbitrator. In a three-member panel, the presiding arbitrator plays a crucial role in leading the tribunal. It's essential to have someone who can balance the interests of both parties and steer the tribunal toward a fair and efficient decision. In short, managing cost and choosing the right arbitrators are two of the most critical elements in any successful construction arbitration. That's it for today's episode. Next time, we will explore dispute avoidance measures and how to prevent construction disputes before they escalate. Until next time, sharpen your ADR skills and elevate your practice.